Hi guys, welcome to another challenge. So, in this challenge, I am going to do what I can call the snake game, which I will show you right now what it's like. So, this is the starting point, and at the end of every station, it goes from one to the next, either with ladders or snakes. From the starting point, I will draw either numbers 1, 2, or 3, and depending on the number I pick, I will move that many spaces forward. I have 1 minute to move from one station to another, and at the end of the 1 minute, whichever station I am already at, I will move back to the beginning of the same station. And if I cannot pass that station on the second attempt, then I fail the challenge, including the first station. So if I cannot pass the first station, which are blocks 1 to 8, for the first time, then I go back to the start. But for the second time, fail. We got the board ready, and let's start the challenge. So first number 2. So I move to 2. So, in the first attempt, it ended at block 17. And so, that means I'm going to have to go back to the beginning of the third station, which is 14. So, we try again from block 14, and let's start again. At the end of my second attempt, I came up to block 26. And so I'm going to have to move back now to block 24. So now I start from 24 and begin the third attempt. There we go. Yeah, that was easy cheesy. 1.9 seconds left on my third attempt. So, thank you so much for watching this challenge video. And unless if I do a video tomorrow, Girl Sky on Wednesday.